Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Loom videos for free. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, direct your attention to the left side of your Loom interface. You'll notice a library icon there. Go ahead and click on it to access your video collection. This will open up your entire library of recordings, making it easy to browse through all your saved content. Now take a moment to scroll through your videos and locate the specific one you want to download. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over that video. You'll see several options appear. Look for the link icon and click on it. This action will automatically copy the video's URL to your clipboard, which we'll need for the next step. With your video link copied, it's time to open a new tab in your browser. In the search bar, type in Free Online Video Downloader and hit enter. This will bring up various tools that can help you download videos from different platforms, including Loom. These downloaders work by processing the video URL and converting it into a downloadable file. For this tutorial, I'm using savefrom.net, but you can choose any reliable downloader that appears in your search results. Once you've selected your preferred tool, you'll land on its homepage where you'll typically see a text field designed for pasting links. Simply paste the Loom video link you copied earlier into the field provided. After pasting, locate and click the download button. This initiates the process where the tool analyzes your video link and prepares it for download. You'll need to wait a few moments while the site processes the link and extracts the video information. Once the processing is complete, you'll see download options appear on your screen. These might include different video quality settings or formats depending on the tool you're using. Simply click on the download button that appears to begin downloading your video. The file will start downloading to your default downloads folder, and depending on the video length and your internet speed, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Loom video without spending a dime, and now you have a local copy saved on your device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.